Hello everyone, welcome to Accounting is Easy PH. I am Coach Arnel, and now I will discuss about a recordable event in accounting. So, how to identify a recordable transaction or event? But before we answer that question, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng recordable transaction? Or ano ba yung record natin? When we say recordable, it means that we will record to the journal entry. Specifically, gagawa tayo ng double entry. Okay, so how to identify a recordable transaction or event? It's simple. The answer, if that transaction or event is called a business transaction. So, ano ngayon ang business transaction? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa next slide. Okay, but isa-isahin muna natin. Una, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng event? Event is called happening, ano ang nangyayari, or let us say sabihin natin happening or pangyayari. Lahat ng mangyayari is we call event. But hindi lahat ng event in accounting ay pwede mo na siyang i-record. So dapat, this event must be an accounting event. Okay, so paano naman natin malalaman na ito ay isang accounting event? Okay, accounting event, if that event affects the elements of financial statement. So, maybe na-discuss na sa inyo. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita, just subscribe the videos kung ano ang ibig sabihin or ano yung iba't ibang financial statement. And of course, malaman mo yun later kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mga elements of financial statement. Diba? Basta ang importante, we call it accounting event if this event will affect the elements of financial statement. Now, if this is an accounting event ba, pwede na nating i-record? Hindi pa rin. Dapat, an accounting event must be a transaction. So, paano natin malalaman that this is a transaction? Okay, transaction naman is an accounting event that must have an exchange of value. So, ibig sabihin, kung walang exchange of value, there is no transaction. So, if there is no transaction, hindi tayo makapag-record. So, ngayon, it's coming from event, then dapat accounting event siya, and then an accounting event must be a transaction. Ano ang transaction? There must be an exchange of value. So, itong transaction na to ay tinatawag naming business transaction. Okay. Example. Sale of goods for cash. So, sale of goods for cash. Question. It is an event? Yes. Dahil nangyayari, nagbibenta ka ng goods for cash. Definitely, that is yes. Next. Is the elements of financial statement affected? Actually, yes. It affects asset and income. So therefore, matatawag natin that this is an accounting event. Now, is there an exchange of value? Meron bang palitan ng value? Answer is yes. So, if there is an exchange of value, tinatawag na itong business transaction. So, ano bang exchange of value niya? Sale of goods, that's the revenue, and you receive cash, that's an asset. So, ibig sabihin, there is an exchange of value. So, the criteria is complete. It is a recordable event. Answer is yes. Definitely yes. Okay, let's go with the second example. Example number 2. hire employee with a salary of 50,000 a month. Again, it is an event. Answer is yes. Kasi nangyayari, you hire an employee. So there is an event. Question. Is the elements of financial statement affected? There is a salary, maybe mayroon kang expenses, and there's cash 50,000, that's also an expenses. So answer is maybe. Maybe it affects asset and expense in the future, but hindi ngayon, in the future. Okay, so yes, it can be. Maybe yes. Is there an exchange of value? Ngayon, meron ba siyang exchange in value while you hire an employee? So, ano answer nyo? Answer is no. Bakit no? Because this is just an hiring of employee. The employee did not give you anything in that time. So, hindi pa siya nakapag-render ng service at hindi ka pa rin nagbibigay ng salary. You just hire. Magbibigay ka ng salary after siya makapagtrabaho. Normally, this 15, 30, or something kung kailan siya magsusweldo. So, doon pa magkakaroon ng transaction. In hiring of employee, ibig sabihin, wala pang transaction. So, ngayon, if there is no transaction, so the next question, it is a recordable event. Answer is no. Okay, so that's all. That's all my video all about. Hope you understand something. So, don't forget to subscribe. Accounting is easy.ph for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye-bye.